Hello everyone, I am Amita Soni and I hope you all are well. Today I am going to discuss a topic about usefulness of animals and wildlife. In this topic we will learn about how animals are useful to us. So animals are very faithful and helpful right from the early stages. Now let us read about it.
Animals our friends. So students, animals our friends. You must be think it. Animals? How could be animals our friends? But in fact, animals are our friends. So let we study in details. Animals our friends. Since the beginning of civilization, animals have played an important role in the life of human beings. We have animals like dogs, cats, and parrots as pet. Every day, we use many products like milk, cheese, honey, eggs, and meat as food. These are obtained from animals. Horses and oxen are used as draught animals to draw wagons and carts. They are also used to assist the farmers in their fields. Now we learn about usefulness of animals. The following points further explain the usefulness of animals in our day-to-day life. Silk and wool that are used for making cloth come from silkworm and sheep respectively. Leather obtained from the skin of animals like goat, sheep and buffalo is used to make shoes, purses and bags. Pearls used as jewelry are obtained from oysters. Many types of fish, prawns, lobsters and crabs are used as seafood. Animals like horses, camels, elephants are used as means of transport. In the ancient times, kings had dogs that used to assist them in hunting in the forests. At present, dogs assist police in various search operations. Animal waste like cow dung is converted to compost. Compost makes soil fertile for growth of plants. So, we can find various examples of how animals are useful to us. Let us review it once again. Animal gives us many things. We obtained milk from cow, goats, buffaloes, etc. Eggs are provided by hens and ducks. The flesh of goat, chicken is eaten as meat and cooked fish are liked by many peoples all over the world. The fur of animals like sheep, camel and yak is used for making woolen cloths. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm and it is used for making different types of silk cloths. Skin of animals like snake and cows, buffaloes are used to make shoes, bag, belt, etc. Oil is obtained from fish and honey is obtained from the honey beehives of honey bees. Pearls used to make ornaments obtained from oysters. Horses, camels, donkeys are useful to carry loads, so they are called draught animals and they are also used in transport. In ancient time, dogs assist the king in hunting, but nowadays dogs assist the police in search operations. Now we learn about wildlife. Wildlife includes all those plants and animals that live and grow in their natural surroundings. Wildlife is found everywhere in plains, rivers, mountains, and seas, rainforests, and deserts. Today, there are very few places left on the earth where wildlife is totally untouched by human beings. Wild animals were present on the earth long before the arrival of human beings. They have as much right to live here as we do. However, we the human beings are destroying the natural surroundings of these animals by cutting down forests and by polluting rivers. Due to this, many wild animals are not able to live in their changed surroundings and are increasingly becoming extinct. We are polluting the rivers. Now we learn about extinct animals. Animal species which are no longer living. Extinct animals are those animal species which are no longer living. Animals like Tasmanian tiger, quagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad, and Caribbean monk seal have already become extinct. Here are the examples: Tasmanian tiger, picture of Tasmanian, quagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad, Caribbean monk seal, etc. Now we learn about endangered animals, the animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. Endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. Animals like African elephant, Bactrian camel, bald eagle, golden lion, tamarin and panda are some of the animals that face the danger of becoming extinct. Here are the some examples of picture of endangered animals: African elephant, Bactrian camel, bald eagle, and golden lion tamarin. Do you know, students? Kenya's Masai Mara, one of the world's most famous wildlife sanctuaries, was recently voted one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. However, it is getting seriously threatened by human activities. So it's all about for today, and thank you for watching.